All right, it's time for griddle boot camp. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? You will address me as just whatever. It's time to griddle, and we're going with some stir-fried rice or fried rice or something. So we got this down to medium-low. And maybe we should add a little oil. What kind of oil? Let's go with vegetable oil. La da 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 da. So we got our vegetable oil on the griddle. Uh-oh. I scraped it. Oh no. And now it's covered up and you can't even tell. Isn't that cool? Nice thing about the griddle. One of the many nice things, in fact. So we got some cubed chili beef steak picado. A lot of times I just get a cheap steak and cut it up, but this was already cut up and at a good price. And as everyone knows, I can't resist a bargain. So, spread it around a little. Think that's on my spatula. Okay, look how pretty. We'll add some secret sauce. Salt, pepper, garlic, all coarse ground, plus some assorted other herb seasonings and yummy things. Cooking quick. Gotta watch that on a griddle. Just like life, it happens quick. Comes at your fast. Let's add a little garlic. Life is better with garlic. Life is better with some onion flakes. Out, 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 out. So, how's your day going? Mine's good, thanks. Jap dip. Just another perfect day in paradise. Japdip. Every day above ground's a good one. Remember that. So that's just about ready. Needs a little bit more cooking. Smelling good with the garlic. Yummy, yummy garlic. What else do we have? Earlier today, I made some basmati rice, and then I refrigerated it. And now, can you guess where it's going to go? That's right, boys and girls. On the griddle. Very perceptive of you. Okay. On the griddle. La 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 la. La 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 la. See how it's nice and clumpy, which helps keep it from getting smushy. We did the rice in the Merrill cooker, multi-cooker, stir fry, air fry, whatever. And important thing when you do rice for anything in the cookers, rinse it first to get the starch off. And then refrigerating it, like I said, that helps keep the mushies away. You could use it. You could go ahead and blend these a little if we wanted to. Da, 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 da. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. What? Yes, Baja, I see your tennis ball. We shall throw it forthwith. Okay. We got rice, we got beef, we got Trader Joe's Organic Foursome Vegetable Medley. A medley of organic super sweet corn, green peas, julienne, carrots, and green beans. Everything you need for a good stir fry. Okay, it's arguing with me. Take that. And take that. Da, 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 da. See, nothing's really sticking. It's all going well. That's a good thing. Properly seasoned griddle and rinsing the rice and then refrigerating the rice. That's the important parts of the equation. And I never was good at math, but I got that equation right. Okay, we got some veggies going. We got rice flying everywhere. We got some soy sauce. Can't have stir fry without soy sauce. What else would go good on here? What? Hoisin sauce? You think so? Well, we'll give it a try. I don't know. Okay, you talked me into it. You're very persuasive. Almost as persuasive as a Baja when it comes to getting you to throw a tennis ball. You hear the bad language she's using. Baja, this is a nationally televised network program show. You can't use that kind of language. There could be children watching. There could be puppies watching. Oh, she's trying to trick me. We're going with 2 balls today. Just to make sure I saw 2 balls. So we got some chopped chives. Everything's better with chives. Life goes better with Minto. Is that the, no, syrup. What is that stupid commercial? They're all stupid commercials, aren't they? I guess the point is moot. But I especially hate the Mentos commercials. Or at least the old ones. You too can be a butthead as long as you've got Mentos. Climb through somebody's car. Commit vandalism, trespassing. It's okay. I've got Mentos. Stupid commercials. And then when I try it, I get arrested. Court summonses, fines. Diversion programs. All because of a stupid Mentos commercial. I'll never forgive you, Mentos. I've left my peas and my cues and my corn and a little bit of carrot. Keeps trying to hide under the griddle handles. What do you think? Does that look done? It looks tasty, doesn't it? I think it's looking done. Should we give it a taste test? Let's try a green bean. That's done. Let's try a piece of beef. Ow! It's hot. Let's say that's done. I'm sure the corn's done, or corn and the rice is done, so I say mission accomplished, troops. I'd say there'll be an accommodation for you, possibly a promotion. At least give you a weekend off KP duty for a change. Close up. That looks good, doesn't it? I've pleased myself. Okay. That's all we've got for today. Thanks for watching, and bon appetit, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. That's a wrap.